Sasha. Yay!
Maybe you're not such a hot rod.
What's up, Lead fans?
Okay, hi everyone, welcome to my vlog. So now we are walking to the Finnish Parliament.
Parliament!
Think back again, all that I ever was. It was only just a phase. I never thought of it that way. But what do
Just creating somebody. Moi.
not wanting to be?
Koodi.
Moi moi! Moi!
Moon Nimi on Kyra. Moon Nimi on Anna.
Your decor, truth is such a violent force, pushing you away. But we both know the way it's.
We're walking into the Fazer experience. How excited are you from a scale of 1 to 10?
100!
Wait, that's correct, that's correct. On a scale of 1 to 10, how excited are you?
6, 7.
Oh my gosh, I should have seen that coming.
Okay, it's not bad. It's just, I like it. I like it. Oh my god. It's good. It's Danish. Okay. Wait, what about the banana chicken? The chicken is bomb. The chicken is bomb, bro.
Are you?
Now we are listening to some of the history. What's your main takeaway?
Fazer is have amazing chocolate.
Oh my god. So now we are playing a game. As you can see here.
So it's about sustainable farming.
Regenerative farming. Now we are in the tasting area. Aaron, what are you eating?
Fazer milk chocolate.
Is it good? Rate it out of 10. What do you taste?
The fresh milk that Fazer uses in their chocolate, which is silky and smooth,
Okay.
and I'll give it a 10 out of 10.
Alright. Okay, Charlotte, what are you eating?
Dark chocolate.
Is it good? 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Bernice, what are you eting?
The geisha?
Okay.
Very good. It's like hazelnut.
Okay.
Chocolate.
Oh my god.
My god.
Oh.
20 out of 10, bro.
In the same way, maybe you're not such a hot rod.
Hi guys, we're going
Very
Oh, we both know the way it's gonna go. In the same way, maybe I'm not all that you thought.
Kopi Peng, Milo Peng, and Horlicks Peng.